Hey, welcome to Shana and the Hook. Today we're gonna be making a Christmas tree. I will use these two gorgeous yarns of 3mm, a hook of 3.5mm and a needle. So let's begin. We start with a slip knot and then chain 15. After that, we single crochet into the second chain from the hook and then single crochet till the end. In total, we will have 14 single crochet. Then chain 1 and turn your work. From now, we do single crochet in the back loop only, and this round we start with 6 of them, and then we will do a decrease. And now let's do a decrease. We yarn over and pull up loop, and then we again yarn over and pull up loop in the next stitch, so in total we should have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over again and draw through all 3 loops on the hook. And finish this round with single crochet, back loop only, 6 of them. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet, back loop only 5 times, then do a decrease, and single crochet, back loop only 6 times. That will be our round 4. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet, back loop only 5 times, decrease, single crochet, back loop only 5 times again, and that's our round 5. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Round 6. Single crochet, back loop only 4, then do decrease, and then single crochet, back loop only 5 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Round 7. Single crochet, back loop only 4 times, do a decrease, then single crochet, back loop only 4 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Round 8. Single crochet, back loop only 3 times, decrease, single crochet, back loop only 4 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet, back loop only 3 times, decrease, single crochet, back loop only 3 times, and that's our round 9. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Round 10. Single crochet, back loop only 2 times, decrease, single crochet, back loop only 3 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet back loop only 2 times, decrease, single crochet back loop only 2 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Single crochet back loop only 1 time, decrease, single crochet back loop only 2 times. Then chain 1 and turn your work. Round 13, single crochet back loop only 1 time, decrease, single crochet back loop only 1 time. Round 14, single crochet back loop only 1 time and then a decrease. And round 15 is just a decrease. And that's it, the Christmas tree is done. I also going to chain 1 and then cut the yarn. Now I'm going to use the needle to hide the ends of the yarn. And let's end our crocheting with the Christmas tree trunk. We need to insert the hook somewhere approximately in the middle so we can crochet around 4 single crochet. It can be 3, depends on you. You now need to chain 1 and then single crochet into the same stitch. And then crochet as many stitches as you want. In my example I did 5. Then I chain 1, turn my work and add another round of single crocheting. And again, I'm going to use the needle to hide the ends of the yarn. And here we go! And here you can see the scheme, if I can call it like this. You can take a print screen to crochet later. And that's it! Thank you for watching this video, hit the like if it was useful, subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays and happy crocheting! Bye!